When you have DirecTV, you get a lot of channels. When you get a lot of channels, you expect the Weather Channel. When you don't get the Weather Channel, you call to cancel DirecTV. When you call to cancel, they threaten you with huge cancellation fees. When you feel threatened, you take matters into your own hands.
Do not hesitate. I repeat, do not hesitate to evacuate right now. The following message has been transmitted by the request of the United States government. At this time, the following states that are about to be flooded, which will cause them to fully be flooded, includes the states of Florida, Louisiana, Delaware, and South Carolina. These states are under extreme danger, and they do not need to be approached. Take food, water, clothing, medical supplies, and a battery-powered radio and evacuate to the Pacific or mountain area. It is unknown when these states will fall, but other states could also be drowned by this too. This is a major flood. I repeat, this is a major flood, and it will not be over until further notice.